In this video, I'll show you how to create a sales page with Builderall 5.0 Cheetah website builder. Hi and welcome to this channel. If this is your first time on the channel, you are welcome. Alright, so this is the 5.0 dashboard and I've reviewed it here so you can watch it if you haven't. And I have templates, how to connect a domain and subdomain, and how to set up your Mailingboss. Alright, so you can check them out. Alright, so let's get straight into the video. Alright, so these are the latest projects. So all the projects you've been working on lately, you're gonna find them here. And to start a project, this is where you come, okay? But in today's tutorial, we're gonna use tools. These are all the tools, and when you click here, you can arrange them the order that you want. That's just by the way. Let me just close it. Or click here and let's say like custom, alright, custom email. So as soon as you start typing, they just pop up. Or if you want, you can just scroll down and just click the arrow to go through. Okay, so let's say if you're looking for script generator, this is it. Let me just close it. Let me go back. So we're gonna use the Cheetah website builder, so click on it. Click here to create new site. So you can use professional templates or start templates. All right, so we're gonna go with this. Okay, so you can customize it. All right, so these are all the templates. Okay, so you can just hover over them. Let's say this one and click preview. So when you check it and you like the way it is, you can just go ahead and click on select this. But in today's tutorial, we're gonna use blank templates. So click on it. Blank template gives you total control, all right? And you can change things, all right? That's why I like it. You can preview it, but it's really blank, all right? Close it and click select and click save. You can take a quick tour, but I will skip it. All right, so click here to edit site. Click on this and just delete it. Okay, and go here. All right, so you can go to panel or element, then go to test. I want the H1 heading, so close this. All right, yeah, I'll keep it like this. So click here and center. With every website, you need at least one H1 test, which is this one, and this is H2. So this is a must. It shows Google what you are targeting, okay? Then you can use the H2, which is the subheading, all right? Then the third one. So I'll use the second one. Close this, click here and center. Then I'm gonna change the text. Install, or if I want, I can go like this and make it heading 3 instead of heading 2. I want it like this, then center. So go here. All right, return email marketing form. All right, so we're gonna use this one. Okay, I don't have a email list yet. We'll get to that later. All right, so because we don't have it yet, that's why it's like that. When we create one, this button gonna change. So we're gonna change this button to heading, and I'll say access now. And you can just play with the font size, 25. We're gonna change the background color. So let's go to click back again and general color, scroll down, and hover background color. Normally I don't like the hover background color, so delete it and paste. So it's gonna be the same. Yeah, the text color, let's keep it white. All right, so close it and we're gonna close this. All right, so I'm gonna change that border color. So click on element, push it up, border. So you see the blue, we're gonna change it to white. To keep it off, we need like a small text to intrigue people to click. Because when we create the email list and sequence, this is gonna change to an opt-in form. So you wanna assure people that their emails are safe. All right, so push it down a bit. Let me just push this. So when you start pushing it down, you see this arrow pushes down. Push down one more. All right, so now I need another one. Close this. So I'll say, all right, so let's check it out. So since we are promoting this product, we're gonna use their disclaimers. So it's terms of use and privacy. Move back. All right. Now, if you're gonna promote this on Facebook, you need a Facebook disclaimer. So I will show you. All right, so I will just highlight everything. Okay, so this is the Facebook disclaimer. Then I will just push it down here, center, activate the terms and privacy. Then open a new tab. All right, scroll down, select, see it's changed. So we're gonna go this one. Okay, so this is a simple landing page. All right, so save. So as you can tell, this website is now riding on Builderall subdomain, which is not professional. So I'll close it and I'll connect a domain. All right. So to connect a domain, first of all, you're gonna go back to the editor, click on Republish. All right. So you scroll down and you click on Domain. I'm gonna connect a subdomain. But if you're gonna connect your own domain, let's say your domain name is affiliatemarketing.com, you're gonna type it here. But in my case, is YouTube SEO. All right. Then I'll add dot success places.com, and always make sure you spell it right. You're gonna click on connect, confirm. Success. Okay, so if you have to connect to a main domain for the first time, these are the name servers you're gonna use. You're gonna copy this and you go to your host and you link it there. And like I showed you earlier on, watch this tutorial and you'll get to know how to connect it easily. All right, so in my case, I've connected my subdomain. So right now I have to wait because when you connect a domain, either subdomain or a primary domain, it takes about half an hour to 48 hours for it to propagate. Normally half an hour, unless there's a major problem. I like to click republish again. I mean, just to be on the safer side. All right, so then I'll go back to home. This is the site I'm working on. Actually, I'm gonna change this. YouTube. All right, then you click save, republish again. All right, so I'll try to go on the website. It will not work because it's not yet half an hour to 48 hours. So let's check it out. Click here, go to web page. Boom, everything is working good. So I'm gonna close it. So I'll show you something quick. Whilst I was waiting, I created some website banner for this. So I'll click here, select file, and this is it. All right, so click down here. When you see the blue line, that means it's checked. then save, boom. So when you have the image on it, it helps you to know what the site is all about. It can be like a share image. I'll just republish. Yeah, so by the way, I created this inside the Canva. I create all my graphics in here. Just by the way. Alright, so now I'll create the email list. So I'll go back here, hover on the apps, and go to Mailingboss 5.0. On your left, you have the home button, the workflow, subscribers, campaigns, instant messages, integration, settings, and tutorials. All right. So what we'll do, we're gonna create a subscriber list. Click on See List, then create list. All right. So I'm gonna call it. I don't want double opt-in. I want single opt-in and single opt-out. Description. So click Save. List updated successfully. So I have the email and the first name. So that's the default. I want the name first. So I'll push it up. The field name, if you want to change this, you can change it. I'll change it to, all right, so name, I can change it to first name, first name. So let's say you want to add, let's see what we have here, like a phone number or something like that, which I'll not advise you to do. So I'll drop it here, but I don't want that. So I'll delete it, then delete again to confirm. The list data. All right, so the from email, we're gonna change it. All right, so in my case, I'll use this one. Right, then we'll go to form back again. I don't like the first name. I just want email. Sometimes it reduces the opt-in rate. All right, so you click on it 2 times. Embed. You can copy the code. You can embed it on WordPress, okay, or wherever you want. Configure and thank you page. I'm not using thank you page. Then pages and emails. So this is where you're gonna edit in case you wanna be specific with something, right? Emails. Subscribers, so far I don't have any subscriber yet in the 5.0 segment. Don't worry much about it, it's a bit advanced. And notification. All right, so I'll go back to forms and I'll click update. All right, so it's updated successfully. All right, so we're gonna close it. Have the email list here. So now I'm gonna create an email sequence. We're gonna go under campaigns, email sequence. So create sequence, YouTube SEO. All right, YouTube SEO set. All right, then mail list. So whenever you see this for the first time, it's just the default account that Builderall will use to set it up. So don't worry about this. So click on the new list you created. The reason why I named this seg because the list name was YouTube SEO as well. All right, so click save. Registration successfully. You're gonna come here and click on edit. On this arrow, click on edit again. So now we're gonna change the name. I'll make it email number 1. You have a regular, which if you wanna blast one email, you have autoresponder, and automation is when you're gonna segment things like if you click on this should be next. Yeah, it's a little bit technical, so I'll leave it for now. But the main reason why we are doing this is the autoresponder, okay? Then the list, YouTube SEO. Don't forget, don't click save yet. Click on templates. All right, so this is where you're gonna type your message. So the subject will be, you just type it like the way regular human beings would do. Don't make it too salesy or something like that. Then click on this. Then this will be your message, but I will change it. Highlight this and I'll click on the link sign and I'll type HTTPS. So let's say this is the link. It could be your affiliate link or your website link or whatever you're trying to promote. All right, then you click on save. If you want, you can make it italics. So let's say I want to add an image. Drop it wherever you want. I'll click on it to edit. Close it. Let's say your logo or something like that. So you need to add sender email. Alright, so always don't forget to add your sender email, okay? This is optional. Then you click save. Alright, so event after subscribe, same day and same of subscription. Yeah, it should be same. Everything should be same. Then send that to existing subscribers. Alright, so if you are creating something new and you have some people in the list already, but I'll just leave it. Save. Then the last but not least, you have to activate. If you don't activate, your campaign wouldn't be running. If somebody sign up, they're not gonna get the subsequent messages. So this is the first email sequence. So let's add another one. It's gonna be autoresponder, and the list is the SEO list, okay, which we have already. And segment, just leave it alone, and everything is still the same. Click on save. It has picked the name, the sender email. Alright, so to name, it's gonna pick the first name by default, then the subject. Then you come to edit. Simple emails, but I know you have to do it a bit longer than this. Click save. Alright, so after subscribe, so this will be how many days? So normally I like to wait a couple of days. I don't like doing like the next day. I don't like that, because even myself, I don't like it when people send me messages like that. So I'll do it like 2 days after or 3 days after. Then I'll click save and activate. So if you click save, then you have to go inside this, then you have to click activate after. But when you click save and activate, I will show you. See, so now it's activated already. If not, you have to click here again, but if you forget, then that will be a problem. But the first email sequence, yeah, you need to come here and click on activate. So that's the difference. Yeah, and you can create as much as you want. I mean, if you can create up to 7 email sequences, that's good. All right, so click on update. So now we have 2 email sequences. Alright, so let's go back to finish up. Alright, so I'm gonna come back here, click republish for all the changes made. Now come here, refresh the page, reload. Okay, then I scroll down. Alright, so click on the button, click on set list, scroll down. Any list you create from the Builderall 5.0, it says default form before the list name, and if you are not careful, you might miss it. Okay, so just take note. Something simple, or you can enlarge it a bit and center. I'll click on it again. When they subscribe, you want them to get to the sales page, so click on this. Click on this. Actually, I think it's too close. So click on this, click on set link. Then after subscribe, where do you want them to go? If you have a thank you page, drop the link here. Or if you have a video page that you want them to visit, but in my case, I don't have it, so I'll just click here and send them straight to the sales page. which is HTTPS. This is where I want them to go. Then I'll scroll down and click select. Then subscriber pending. Okay, so this is, let's say, suppose you have like a confirmation form or like a thank you page, yeah, and stuff like that. Then after this will be like the sales page, but in my case, no thank you page and all those things. So I'm just giving them access to the link. So right click and paste your affiliate link or whatever link, then click select. If you are doing affiliate marketing and you want them to download like something or go to a thank you page or a video sales page, yeah, here before the offer page. Okay, so this is the offer page or the last page for sales and stuff like that. All right, sometimes I have to take my time to explain this area a bit. Okay, so let's say you're doing ClickBank or Digistore. This is where your final sales page will come. Okay, but if you don't have thank you page and stuff like that, put your affiliate link here and there. Okay, then click save. Click on save. That's fine. All right, so now this is the link. I'm gonna close it quick. We have to optimize the mobile version, so go here and okay, so this will be first, so you click on it, then click move up. This will be second, click move up. This will be third, move up. And yeah, the rest, everything is okay. Then I'll go back to, okay, so the tablet and the mobile version, they are all the same. So go back. So what I do when I go back, I try to come back again just to make sure. Okay, then go back one more time. Then click save. That's fine. Then close it. Then the last but not least, before you close, go back to your editing page. That's the home editing page, and click on republish. Because we made changes. Now when I click republish for the last time, at least I give myself between 3 minutes to 5 minutes for everything to work out good. Then after, I'll come back here. I'm gonna try it. Go to website, because like I told you, when you save it and you republish, you have to give yourself like 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll refresh and see. All good now. All right, so we're gonna test it and add my email. Access now. Boom. So you see, it brought me to the sales page. Okay, so what the potential client has to do is to sign up and go from there. So now I'm gonna have to go check it in Mailingboss. So go back here, go to apps, Mailingboss 5.0, see list. There you go, subscribers. I have 1 subscriber. So that's how it works. Please like, comment and subscribe to this channel, and check out other videos on the channel, because I'll be bringing more videos every week on how to make money online, affiliate marketing and email marketing. All right, so take care and have a wonderful day. Bye for now.